How to take a group selfie with iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your iPhone. Once you are here, tap on the camera switch icon at the bottom right corner to switch to the front camera. This will allow you to take a selfie. Now, tap on the arrow at the top center of the screen to zoom in and out. Then, tap on the photo option. From the options, tap on the timer icon and set the timer to your preference. Now, tap on the shutter button at the bottom to start the timer. The photo will be taken automatically once the countdown ends. Tap on the photo preview at the bottom left to view the selfie you just took. You can now view your group selfie from here. Following these steps, you can easily take a group selfie with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.